Okay guys, going to try to pick you a trigger lock. It's a master trigger lock. It's a 4-pinner. Got it on the old AK, and I'm going to give that a try right now. Let me set the camera down. Alright. The first thing I'm going to do is get the stock out of the way. Alright. There you go. Try to keep it leaned up for you. I don't know if that's going to happen. Offset diamond, touch wrench. Got like medium pressure on this one for some reason. It likes a little bit tighter pressure. There you go. You're in. Just like that. Offset diamond. Lockpicktools.com. See you later. Have fun.